Salam, hello, my name is Muskano and I'm a native Amharic speaker and a professional educator from Ethiopia. I hold both a bachelor's degree in applied biology and a master's degree in microbiology. I have a strong background in science. My passion lies in sharing my language and culture with the world. I have over 2 years of experience teaching Amharic to English speakers on YouTube, where I have developed creating and engaging ways to make the language easy to understand. I develop a patient, clear, and highly organized teaching style. I believe in making learning fun, practical, and tailored to your specific needs. I use my analytical background to break down the Amharic script and Amharic grammar logically. I provide custom-made PDF guides, videos, and real-time conversation practice to keep our session lively. We will focus on the Amharic used in everyday situations so you can start speaking from day one. I love bringing the cultural stories into our lessons to give you deeper connection to the language. Learning Amharic is journey into a rich and beautiful culture, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Book your first lesson today and let's go start.